What if I told you? Now you can create 3D videos like Hollywood movies, just by typing text. Sounds crazy? It's real. It's called Luma AI. Today we're going to talk about Luma AI, a text-to-3D tool that's going really viral. What is Luma AI? Luma AI is a generative AI platform that can transform text into realistic 3D videos/scenes, suitable for content creators, game developers, filmmakers, and even novices who want to experiment. Key features: text to 3D scenes, for example, dragon flying on an icy mountain; cinematic camera control, adjust angles and lighting; real-time preview and export to video formats. Example prompt: a futuristic city at night with flying cars and neon lights; cinematic view, fantasy dragon breathing fire in a snowy mountain; ultra-realistic short pros and cons; very easy to use, realistic results. Suitable for storyboarding/quick creative ideas. Rendering is a bit heavy on low-end devices, free version is limited. If you want to create your own 3D world without coding or complicated software, Luma AI is the answer. Subscribe to QMO SynthMind to get updates on other cool AI tools every day.